Hey everyone, welcome to the Complete Python course. In this video, we're going to take you from absolute beginner to confident Python developer. We'll start with the basics, move into advanced concepts, and even build some real-world projects along the way. So, if you're ready to master Python, let's jump right in. So, what exactly is Python? Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world today. It's simple, powerful, and super versatile. You can use it to build websites, create AI models, analyze data, automate boring tasks, and even make games. That's why it's often called the go-to language for beginners and professionals alike. Let's dive a little deeper into Python. Python is a high-level, easy-to-read programming language that focuses on simplicity and productivity. Unlike some languages that can feel complicated for beginners, Python's clean and straightforward syntax makes it one of the best starting points for anyone new to coding. But here's the exciting part. Python isn't just beginner-friendly, it's also incredibly powerful. It's used almost everywhere in the tech world today. In web development, Python powers frameworks like Flask, which help developers build fast and scalable websites and APIs. In artificial intelligence and machine learning, Python is the backbone. Libraries like TensorFlow, Torch, and Learn make it possible to train models and create intelligent systems. In automation, Python scripts can save hours of manual work by automating repetitive tasks, like organizing files, sending emails, or scraping data from the web. And when it comes to data science, Python is the king. With tools like Pandas, NumPy, and you can clean, analyze, and visualize massive datasets with just a few lines of code. So whether you want to be a web developer, a data scientist, an AI engineer, or just someone who automates everyday tasks, Python has something for you.
Now we are going to learn how to install Python on Windows 11. Open the terminal and type Python. If this window opens, means Python is not installed on your computer and it is opening the Microsoft Store for installing the Python. But we are not going to install the Python from Microsoft Store. So close this. Now go to the Google and search for Python and you will find this link python.org. Here in this link you will find the options to download the Python or releases, and the latest release is Python 3.13.7. So at the time of recording this tutorial, Python version is 3.13.7. So there are two links here. First link is in the menu, and second link is here. So you can click on either of the link to download the Python. Python is available for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and other platforms. So we are installing onto the Windows. That's why we are clicking on the download for Windows. And you can see the Python 3.13.7 AMD 64 exe is downloaded. Click here and the installer is started now. Here are two things here. In the bottom you will find two check boxes. One is for use admin privileges when installing py.exe and add python.exe to path. So we should check these two check boxes. First checkbox allows us to run py.exe into the privilege mode and add python.exe to path. So this is also important because if we add the python.exe to the path, we will be able to use Python. We will be able to use Python from anywhere in our system. So now click install now, or you can also go for customize installation, and there you will find the option to change the location of installation, but I am okay with this location, and I'll click on install now. So installation is in progress, and you can see it is already completed more than 15%. So Python is installed successfully. Please click on close button, and now close the command prompt and open the command prompt again. Now type Python here. Python hyphen version. Then it is displaying the Python version here. On the program, we should be able to see the Python here, all, and so this is the Python here, and these are all installed with the Python. So idle is a Python IDE for application development. Python is a Python exe, and these are the help files. So if we click on idle, then it should start the Python IDE. So this is the Python IDE. We can type some of the code here. 7 plus 9, press enter. So it executed this code and calculated the sum of 7 plus 9, which is 16. Now we can print hello world and then enter. So it printed the hello world. So this way we can use the idle to run the Python program. We can create a new file here and write the same code. And save this file. Save as. I'm going to install it into D and py examples directory and hello.python. So this is the code for running for hello.python, and you can see that directory here d:/python py example / hello.py. You can run it here by click on run module. So it executed here and it printed hello world. Now close this and close this as well. We have seen that we are able to use the Python from here, Python hyphen version, and it is displaying the Python version here. Now I will show you how you can run the Python code from the terminal itself. By examples, and we can see dir the hello.py. Before this, type Python, and you can see the Python runtime is started. So this is by Python REPL, and here also we can write our code. 4 plus 6 is 10, and similarly we can try the hello world. So it printed hello world. To exit, type exit, and we are out from the terminal. Using the idle IDE, we created hello.py. Now to run this hello.py, we can type Python and hello.py. So it executed the hello.py from the terminal. So in this section, we learned how to download and install Python and try a few examples. In next section, I will show you how we can install Python with Anaconda. Now I will show you how to install Anaconda Python on your Windows 11 machine. In the Google search Anaconda Python and click on the download link. In this page, you will find the installers for Windows, Mac, and Linux. I am downloading for Windows, so click on 64-bit graphical installer. Miniconda is also available with less packages, and for Windows, this is the installer, Mac and Linux. Download is completed now. Click on the exe file and this will start the installer. Installer is started. Click next. I agree. You can install it for all users or just for yourself. Click next. Click install. Installation is in progress. Now the installation is completed. Click on next and click on next. Click on finish. Now it will start the Anaconda Navigator and welcome. Now the Anaconda Navigator is starting. This is the Anaconda Navigator. It provides the option to install PyCharm, Anaconda AI Navigator, and many other tools. So we can program by clicking on the Launch Jupyter Notebook. Choose the browser. Now we can create a new Python and write our Python code here. 4 plus 5, then control plus enter, it is printing 9. And to add one more cell, so these are the code cells. Here we can write the Python code. Click here on the run, so it is printing the cell. So this way we can use the Jupyter Notebook for running the Python code. In this video series, we will be using Jupyter Notebook and PyCharm IDE for running the programs. In next video, I will show you how you can install PyCharm IDE. Now I will show you how you can download the PyCharm Community Edition. Go to jetbrains.com/pycharm/download/other.html, and here on this page you will find the link to download the PyCharm. So my system is Windows 11 and I will click on 2025.2.1 windows.exe, and now it is being downloaded. PyCharm Community Edition exe file is downloaded. Click on this. Click next. Leave the default. I will leave the destination folder default. If you want to create the desktop shortcut, then select this and add folder as project, then check this, click next, and finally install it. Now PyCharm Community Edition is installed. Check this box and click finish. I will create a new project. Create. I will create a new file. So we can write some of the Python code here. I have written print hello world. To run it, just click here and it displayed the hello world message. So we learned how to download PyCharm Community Edition and install on Windows 11. In next section, I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code. Now I will show you how to download Visual Studio Code and install on Windows 11. Go to the Google and search for download Visual Studio Code and you will find the first link. Click here and click on the Windows 10 11 installer link. Click on Windows 10 11 link and download will start. It is going to complete in few seconds. We will use the Visual Studio Code for writing the Python code and run from the Visual Studio Code itself. I accept agreement. Click next. Leave the default folder as it is. Click next. Next, next, install. Launch Visual Studio Code. I will open a folder first. Session 1. Copy this path. Then select the folder. Trust this author. Now I will go to the extensions and download the Python. It is installed now. Now run it by clicking here, run Python file, and you can see it is printed the hello world message. In this way, you can use Visual Studio Code for running the Python. In this way, you can use Visual Studio Code to run the Python programs. So we are done with the installation steps. Now we will start learning the Python. Now we will learn about REPL. A REPL in Python refers to read, eval, print loop, which is an interactive programming environment allowing users to execute Python code and receive immediate output. Functionality of Python REPL. Read. The REPL reads user's input, which can be Python expression or statement. Eval. It evaluates the entered input to produce a result. Print. The result of evaluation is printed on the console. Loop. This cycle continuously repeats, waiting for the next input. How to use REPL? Open the terminal and type Python. This opens the REPL, and this triple arrow key is the REPL prompt, and it is waiting for the user input. Write something. That's 5 plus 6. Press enter. After pressing the enter, it evaluated 5 plus 6 and printed 11. So A equal to 10, B equal to 5. Now try A asterisk B. So we are multiplying A and B, and now it printed the output of A into B here. So this way you can use REPL to test your Python program. To exit the REPL, you have to type exit and press enter.